What's up, YouTube? Corey here, back in the shop today. Today we're going to finish out our wheel arch patches, do a little paint and body, and we'll pull a few dents and get it in primer. Hopefully have it ready for paint before the end of the day. Let's get to it. Here's our f250. It's got see this real nasty dent here. We're going to finish this bad boy out, and I'll show you guys how to feather all this out. We got a lot of peel and paint. We'll feather it all out and make it beautiful. Get it ready for primer. A few little gouges up in here. Nasty gouge there. Some more peel and paint. Gotta love these Fords. Alright guys, let's set up the tripod and tackle it. Alright guys, we're going to sand all of our spots. These spots that need feathered out. All around here where we put our patch in. And around where our dents and stuff are, we're going to sand that with 80. Get it roughed up so we can body work it, fill it. Alright guys, real quick, I just want to show you, we're feathering this out here. I want you guys to get an idea of what I'm talking about. Before it was all chipped up and you could feel it. Now it's nice and smooth, and you can see all the old layers. This bed's been painted once before. For sure, I found a lot of Bondo in it already. You got to make sure all this stuff's feathered out. You can't feel anything. It might look like you can see it, but you can't feel it. It's very important. Everything's feathered out real nice. That'll give us somewhere to spread our mud, make sure it sticks and stays. Make sure you keep your DA flat. You don't want any waves or warping. Set the tripod up and beat these dents out. Alright guys, repeat of this side. We're going to sand all this with 80 grit and get it ready for mud. Feather all this out just like we did the other side. Remember to keep your DA flat. Alright guys, here's side 2. Everything's feathered out. Real nice. Like I said, if you can feel it, you'll see it behind your paint and your bodywork. It's got to be feathered out. grab these hammers, set this tripod back up, and beat out a few of these dents. Here's our Harbor Freight hammer and dolly set. You can pick those up for about 30 bucks or so. No fancy tools here, guys. Light taps, guys. That's all it takes. Tons of light, soft taps. Got a little bit of a dip right here. We'll beat it out. And another dent right here. This is a good sized dent. It'll take me a minute on that one. All right, guys. Let's put a little filler on it. We're going to use some USC Pro Gold Easy Sand. I try to stay away from the Bondo brands, stuff like that. It seems to clog your paper a lot. Spend a lot more time sanding, and this seems to be the best. It works the best for me. 1 inch of hardener per golf ball size amount of filler. It's pretty simple. Let's get it mixed up. Make sure you get it mixed completely. one nice uniform color. We'll coat this a few times. One time, then we'll sand it off and do it again. I'm sure we'll have it 2 or 3 times before it's 100%. You don't want any bad body work. Alright guys, real quick, I just want to show you everything's got a skim coat on it. Everything I had to beat on with the hammer. Our patches, everything's skimmed in. This is the first coat. Like I said, it'll probably take 2 or 3 to get the body work 100%. Most of this stuff gets sanded off. Alright guys, let's set up the tripod and start sanding this stuff. Alright, when we're doing our body work, you gotta make sure you have a file. And a good block. You gotta use a block. This is a soft block. There's tons of different kinds. Just time consuming. Using 80 grit DA paper for our dual action sander. I just wrap it right around my block and go to town. Alright guys, real quick, I want to give an update. Got about 3/4 of this side done here. I wanted to show you what I was talking about, how you can see your low spots. You can see the difference. This here's been sanded. You can see all your low spots real well, so you know where you got to fill it in. Got a few here, a couple little spots here. For the most part, it's turning out all right. You can see here where I haven't sanded it all. It's real rough. I'll get this finished sanded and be ready for another skim coat. All right, let's get to it. We're still just using 80 grit. Back in All right, guys, real quick. We got all the body work done. No more low spots. Everything's filled in. All right, guys, let's set up the tripod and get this thing primed. Thanks for watching part 3, guys. Tune in to part 4 and we will get the primer out, prime it all, show you guys how to block it all out, make it perfectly straight and smooth and ready for paint. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.